Welcome to pure Michigan. Here we are sitting around the campfire. There's Greg, there's Tabby, and there's Buddy.
Hey,
Buddy is a big boy. Yes, you're a good boy, Buddy. Yes, you are. You gonna have some s'mores? Trying to test out the new bed in the new tent. It's the first time for him. Oh, Buddy, where'd you go?
Bud, coming up.
Hey, Buddy.
Hey.
What do you think? Is that a good bed? Yeah. You gonna be a good boy? Yeah, he likes it as long as you're in there.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Did a good job, bud.
Yeah. Good
That
boy.
really scary noise.
Oh my gosh, the noise is too much for me.
Yeah.
I forgot how comfortable this is sometimes. Especially after you just put it up.
Yeah.
Right. Here I am at Site 84, Indiana Dunes State Park. This was a nice big spot right across from the freshwater fill. That part wasn't so great. Really close to the bathroom. That part was nice. And we had a really big spot where the kids, Tabby and Greg could put up their tent yesterday to test it out with their dog to see whether Buddy was going to kind of accept being in a tent on a queen mattress for future reference. So I couldn't believe it. They set that tent up right there, took it down just a few hours later. Yeah. We had a really nice visit, had a nice campfire. And now it's going to rain all day today. So it's time to go. Isn't it, Ginger? Is it time to go? Where'd you go? There you are. Yeah, you want to go? Is it time to go bye-bye? Oh, there's baby too. You want to go bye-bye? Yeah. It's $25 a night here during the week, but apparently at this campground they consider Thursday to be the weekend, so it's $32. Well, I'm not going to spend $32 to sit in the rain. I could do that for free somewhere else. So, just about all packed up. All I have to do is disconnect the electric and pick up my leveling blocks. Did you see those? Yeah, I just put one under each front tire. I'm not actually in the official campsite. You may notice this is where I parked originally, but there was way too much sun. So, since they had room for 2 vehicles to park in that section, I just parked over there and got out my 25-foot extension cord for the electric. Yeah, it's wiggling all around because that's where we had the tent. So I just have to unplug that and pick up those 2 things and we're rolling. Do a little walk around. Just check and make sure everything looks all right before we take off. I don't really know where we're going to go. See, there's my sticker in the window. I don't know where we're going to go, but for now, Ginger, you going to dig through that window? Yeah. For now, we're just going to go to the beach parking lot, and I hope there's some windy wave action so I can listen to the waves crashing against the shore. We'll see. Back in a bit. Warning, high waves, riptide. Swimming or wading is unsafe. This is what I was looking for. Sorry about the wind noise, but it sort of accompanies the big waves. This is a heavenly sound to me. Just so happy. So happy to be here. And all those little seagulls sitting there. It's too windy for them to fly. Here we are at Indiana Dunes, National Lakeshore Lake View. Let's go have a look. Past. It turned 2:30 in the afternoon into looking like 7 o'clock at night. That's so nice. Look at the sand. But look at all those stairs. No, we're not doing all those stairs. Lots of stairs. It's a real pretty area though. Look at that house. The retaining walls. That is way up there. Talk about a lot of steps. I like that one. It's a log house with cedar shake. The showcase for Cypress, the wood eternal. Cool. Let's see what else we have on this side of the street. There's that home that's being restored. There's the one that we couldn't see. Oh my goodness, but look at the view. Look at the view these people have. I'm sure they pay pretty good taxes for these views. My, my, my. I didn't turn down that road. It's a dead end.